Okay, I just want to document the problem I have with this. This is a fitting that goes into the an oil filter relocation kit that I have from Greddy in my race car. I have a 1992 Honda EG with a F20B swap, H2B swap, and I just I just I've been having problems with the oil filter coming off the fitting. I've been putting this filter from Honda for 14 years in my race car, and now I'm having problems because it's spitting out the filter from the fitting. So I thought this fitting was worn out, but as I inspected, it doesn't seem to be worn out. So maybe it's because I put brand new seals in the engine, and maybe the oil pressure is too much. But I always had the same oil pressure in my engines. But maybe I'm thinking it's because it has no back pressure. I have a oil catch can, which supposedly recircles the back pressure from the engine. Maybe it's not working, I don't know. But the filter is coming out of the fitting. So it's spitting out the filter when I accelerate. I thought the filter was bad, but I've been putting 3 filters now. This fitting is 3/4 and 16 thread, and the Honda filter is an M20. But I always had the same setup and never had a problem. Now it's spitting out the filter. So I was wondering if this was worn out, like I told you. But let's see. I have these veneers here. They're not the best ones, but hey, I don't think this is precision machine work anyways. So let's see. Is it 0, right? Let's see, let's measure. Let's measure this. And 0. There you go. 0. There you go. 0. There you go. Take this fitting. Get the measure. Measure. There you go. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. There you go. All the way down. All the way down. There you go. Now measure here. There you go. Hey, no, it's not. Let me do it right. There you go. There you go. 18.7. Right? On the fitting. There you go. So now I'm going to take the filter, going down, 0, 0. There you go. 0. Take the filter, measure. There you go. We'll turn it. There you go. 18.7. Turn it again. 18.7. 18.7. There you go. Same thing, right? See, now that I'm trying to work, this guy's cutting the grass outside. Anyways, so what do you guys think? I ordered a brand new one with an AN10 fitting on top. The same thing, 3/4 and 16. Should I say change the filter? Look, when it comes in, I screw it in. Screw it in. That's all it comes in when it comes. It's in the relocation kit. Okay. So look at it. Even if it screw in place, look. It wiggles in. And it's a brand new one. What should I do? I'm thinking about, with the brand new fitting that I order from Greddy directly, change the filter to a 4 filter. Things that happen in racing. Let's see what's going on. Maybe you guys have comments or something you can help me out with. I'm thinking it's back pressure, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's see how we can solve this.